Big thing for us is it's an endurance race, so you've got to run the car for a lot of hours just to make sure that all the parts are able to survive an 8-hour endurance race. So we'll go out to our local track, High Plains Raceway. So we want to get probably 800 to 1,000 miles worth of testing in before we actually get to the racetrack. The first thing we're going to do when we get to the track is we're going to go and shake down the car, which basically means we're going to go out and make sure all of the upgrades and modifications and changes we've done to the car work. And that's very simple. We're running around at, maybe 50, 60 miles an hour. Everything works, we're really good to go. Now we can take it to the next level. And what we're gonna wanna do from there is start pushing on the car and push a little bit harder, a little bit harder. And once we get to the point where we're pushing at 100% and we know everything works, then we can kind of get into the endurance phase of things, which we're gonna sit there and we're gonna run the car for 2 and 3 and 4 hours. And at the end of the day, we hope we've got a successful race car that we can then take to Houston. After 2 hours of running hard, I am happy to report that the car is 100%. We are ready to rock and roll. We are throwing it in the trailer and heading out to MSR Houston for the WRL 8-hour endurance race this weekend. Hopefully you guys will show up to join all of our good friends at IAA and Auto Source who are going to be there to cheer us on for victory. Thanks for following. We'll see you at the races.